Hello and welcome to my written report number 5 for evaluation and assessment. My name is Fernando and I'm going to explain some important information about how to assess grammar and vocabulary. Let's begin with grammar, and for that we need to define grammatical knowledge, and let me tell you that it consists in 3 elements: grammatical form or structures of a language, the grammatical meaning of those forms, and their pragmatic meaning. In order to design assessment tasks for grammar, we have several categories. The first one is selected response, and within this one we have several options such as multiple choice, discrimination, and noticing or consciousness raising tasks. The next category is limited production. For this one we have 3 options: gap filling, short answer, and dialogue completion tasks. The last category would be extended production, and for this we have information gap or info gap and role play or simulation tasks. And now we have assessing vocabulary. For this we first need to understand the nature of vocabulary, meaning that words can be categorized as tokens, types, function words, and content words, as well as some lexical phrases such as polywords, institutionalized expressions, phrasal constraints, and sentence builders. And then we need to define the lexical knowledge. For that we need to assume that native speakers continue to expand their vocabulary in adulthood. Knowing a word means knowing how probable it is to use it in speech or print, and other words surrounding it, the limitations imposed of the word, among others. Please consider this when designing assessment tasks for vocabulary. Clarify your purpose, define your construct, select your target words, and determine the mode of performance. We also have categories when designing assessment tasks for vocabulary. The first one is receptive vocabulary, and on this one we have one sentence context with a high or low frequency word, vocabulary matching exercises, and word association. The other category would be productive vocabulary, and on this one we have 2 types, which are fill in the blank and selective deletion clause. Thank you for watching. Click like, comment your questions if you have them, and see you soon.